friends, how are you? Welcome you all in special function video series. Today we will derive the recurrence formula number 5 and recurrence formula number 6. As you know that in the last video I have already derived the recurrence formula number 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see in the playlist. So here we will look into the RF5 and the RF6 of the Bessel function. So in order to derive RF5 and RF6, I have to write the RF1 and RF2. So what was the RF1? It was xjn dash equal to, it was xjn dash equal to njn minus xjn plus. This was the RF1. And what was the RF2? It was xjn dash equal to minus njn plus xjn minus 1. So what I have done in step 1, I have write the RF1 and I have write the RF2. What I have to do, I will first derive the RF5. What is the RF5? D by dx, differentiation with respect to x of x raised to minus n dot jn will be equal to minus x raised to minus n dot jn plus 1. So what I will do here, I will multiply both sides by x raised to minus n minus 1. Multiply both sides by x raised to minus n minus 1. And here I will multiply both sides by x raised to n minus 1. So in order to derive the RF5, I will multiply both sides by x raised to minus n minus 1 on the RF1. And in order to derive the RF6, I will multiply both sides by x raised to n minus 1 to the RF2. So you can see here, if I multiply both sides by x raised to minus n minus 1, what I will get? xjn dash multiplying with x raised to minus n minus 1 equal to njn dot x raised to minus n minus 1 dot minus xjn plus 1 multiplying with x raised to minus n minus 1. So when the base is the same, the power is added. Here x raised to 1 and here x raised to minus n minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. So what I will get here? I will get x raised to minus n dot jn dash. Here I will get x raised to minus n minus 1 dot n jn. Here again x raised to 1 is here x raised to minus n minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. I will get x raised to minus n dot jn plus 1. So what I can do here, I can transfer this term, first term of the right hand side to the left hand side. X raised to minus n dot jn dash minus n dot x raised to minus n minus 1 dot jn equal to minus x raised to minus n dot jn plus 1. So what is this? This is the differentiation of with respect to x of x raised to minus n jn. This is the differentiation of x raised to minus n dot jn. अगर आप यहाँ देखिए, अगर क्वाड्रेट रूल अपन डिफरेंशिएशन का यहाँ पे लगाए तो x रेज टू माइनस n का क्या होगा? x रेज टू माइनस n का होगा माइनस n डॉट x रेज टू माइनस n माइनस 1. एक पावर कम हो जाएगी, n आगे आ जाएगा, jn एज इट इज रहेगा और jn का करेंगे तो क्या होगा? jn डैश और x रेज टू माइनस n एज इट इज रहेगा. तो ये जो दो टर्म है, ये डिफरेंशिएशन किसका है? x रेज टू माइनस n डॉट jn का है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. When you will follow the product rule of the differences. और यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में माइनस एक्स रेज टू एन डॉट जे एन प्लस 1. तो दोस्तों ये अपना RF5 यहाँ पे प्रूव हो गया. और RF6 प्रूव करने के लिए दोनों साइड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x रेज टू n माइनस 1 से. तो दोनों साइड x रेज टू n माइनस 1 से अपन को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. और ये किस पे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है? अपन RF2 पे कर रहा है. रिकरेंस फॉर्मूला नंबर 2. दिस इज द रिकरेंस फॉर्मूला नंबर 2. और RF5 निकालने के लिए रिकरेंस फॉर्मूला नंबर 1 में अपन ने दोनों साइड मल्टीप्लाई किया x रेज टू माइनस n माइनस 1 से. So when you multiply x raised to n minus 1 to the recurrence formula number 2 of the Bessel function, what you will get, you can see here, x j n dash dot x raised to n minus 1 equal to minus n j n dot x raised to n minus 1 plus x into j n minus 1 dot x raised to n minus 1. You can see here again, when the base is the same, power is added. Here x raised to 1, here x raised to n minus 1, then 1 and 1 will be cancelled. Here you will get x raised to n dot jn dash equal to minus n dot x raised to n minus 1 dot jn. Here again, you can see in the right hand side second term, x raised to power 1, x raised to n minus 1, so 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled, plus x raised to n dot jn minus 1. Here I again transfer the first term of the right hand side to the left hand side. So what I will get here, x raised to n dot jn dash plus n dot x raised to n minus 1 dot jn equal to x raised to n dot jn minus 1. So what is this? This is the differentiation of d by dx of x raised to n jn. तो ये किसका डिफरेंशिएशन है? x raised to n dot jn का. आप देख सकते हैं प्रोडक्ट रूल अगर डिफरेंशिएशन का यहाँ पे लगा है, when you follow the product rule of the differentiation of jn is the jn dash x raised to n as it is रहेगा, और x raised to n का करेंगे तो n आगे आ जाएगा, एक पावर कम हो जाएगी, n dot x raised to n minus 1. The differentiation of xn is n dot x raised to n minus 1, jn as it is रहेगा, और jn का होगा jn dash और x अपना as it is रहेगा, और यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में xn dot jn minus 1. तो ये अपना RF6 आ गया, ये अपना क्या आ गया, RF6, डिफरेंस फॉर्मूला नंबर 6. तो दोस्तों ऐसे अपन ने डिराइव किया है, multiplying both side by x raised to minus n minus 1 to the RF1, and when you will see, you will get the RF5. And for the RF2, when you multiply x raised to n minus 1 and rearranging the term, you will get the RF6. So I hope this video will explain the recurrence formula number 5 and recurrence formula number 6, and I understand that you learn lot of things of the recurrence formula number 5 and recurrence formula number 6 of the Bessel function. Thank you friends, you have seen this video. Thank you friends.